Nice Shaver Lake rainbow. Got it. Double. How about that? All right, I'm back at Shaver Lake today. It is April, I think 16th, and it is freezing out, but it is a gorgeous day. The kokanee have been biting here with my buddy Tyler, and ready to catch some nice kokanee. Let's get them. Oh, fish on. I got this one a little shallower. I just moved it up to maybe 20 feet. Hopefully the osprey won't eat my fish. Got him. Yeah, baby. Let's go. I ran this one a little shallower, 20 feet. Okay. I just caught my first coke. Shaver Lake, 3 years. It's been a while since I've been here. On the Orange Crush. Got that guy at 20 feet deep. Fish on. Yes. I just saw some marks on my downrigger side. This one's on the Paulina Peak Flutterbug. The new Flutterbug, little skinny one. Yeah, he wants to fight. That's awesome. Oh, he's a fighter. Oh, he's swimming in front of the boat. Oh, it's a big trout. I just got a trout. Wow. That is a nice fish. Ow. Okay, he's off. Wow, look at that guy. I'll get you back, guy. I'll get you back. I'll get you back. What a beautiful trout, though. Wow. Nice Shaver Lake rainbow. I think it's rainbow. There he goes. Oh, yeah, he's on. Fish on. Yes. Not really fighting much. Oh, he's just swimming with me. There we go.
There we go.
Let's go. Flutterbug. I caught a nice rainbow earlier. Yeah, like a 15-inch rainbow.
I had marked the school and I came back and I didn't find it.
Yeah. Yeah, I have one coke, this is my second kokanee.
Oh yeah.
And I just lost one just a second ago too.
I've lost like 2 or 3 by now. Right by the boat too.
Nice, gorgeous kokanee. Chromer.
It gets pretty shallow right here.
Yeah.
There's a lot of big rocks.
Yeah, I could see it coming.
I had both my rods up, I was just reel up.
Good thing we're only fishing at 25 feet.
There's a random part in the middle of that lake where there's this big ass boulder, so it goes like 100 feet.
Oh, and then
it goes up to like 40, and then it goes back.
Oh man.
And I'm sure a lot of guys have lost their shit there. I marked it, so I remember now. But I got a buddy who scuba dives, and I've been meaning to hit him up. Be like, hey, let me drop you up here in the middle.
Oh really? Go get some gear out of the bottom.
I
think I'm gonna throw on this. It's called the new Pulling at Peak dancing bug. It's kind of like a twisted cut plug, but smaller. Pretty cool looking. This is the watermelon color. See if I can get this one to stick. Oh, I'm doubled up. Oh shit. Doubled. Got it. Still on over here. Let's go. I just put this dancing bug on. And this one's a little shallower. Is he still on? Oh no. Doesn't feel like he's on anymore. he is still on. Yep. Fighting more like a trout. Is it cook? Oh shit. Dang it. I'm gonna lose this guy. Got it. Double. How about that? Double up. Double. Yeah. Paulina Peak. Oh, this is a mess. And number 2. God, he's tiny. See if I can release this guy. I just doubled. Yeah. Yeah, but I released the small one. I just put on that dancing bug too. Fish on. Stay on. Oh shit. Oh. Oh fuck. Got it. Woo. Finally. Let's go. Woo-wee. A little slow there for a minute. Wind starts picking up. Just stick with it. Man, look at this school. Come on, get bit. Get bit. Gotta be a biter in there somewhere. be the go home fish. Been trying to get this 5th fish for a while. I got a short strike just a minute ago. I just went through a school at 20 feet. Oh, there he is. He's swimming. Come on, baby. Oh no! Damn it! Damn it! I knew that was gonna happen. Oh, I was pulling it too hard. Come on. Let's land this one. I think I've lost 4 fish. 1 inches from my net. Oh God. He's right there. He's right there. Oh. Where are you? Squirrely bugger. Come on. Oh, he's... Come on, you. Finally. Finally. Woo! Oh my gosh. Number 5, finally in the boat. All right. Squirrely at Shaver Lake. Gorgeous chromers. Man, the flutterbug was on fire. I think I got 1 hit on the dropper rig and maybe 2, and only hooked up 1. I have so much more confidence in my downrigger than the dropper. I don't know why, but it's just the way it is. The go home fish. Let's go to the next adventure. Good times at Shaver Lake.